Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 同 step by step. But first, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. 同 means like, same, with, together. 共同 common, together. Check this sentence. What do they have in common? What do they have in common? What do they have in common? 他们有什么共同点呢？他们有什么共同点呢？他们有什么共同点呢？ What do they have in common? 同 in cursive. 同 like, same with. 共同 common, together. What do they have in common? 他们有什么共同点呢？ Okay, please comment any sentence with character 同. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.